Hey guys, welcome to my channel, English. In case you see me for first time, my name is Adam. In this video, I'm teaching sentence structure. I think before we get the ball rolling, we should remember the difference between independent clause and subordinating clause. So let's go for some examples. Here is a question. Identify each boldface group of words by writing IND for independent clause and SUB for subordinating clause. Dear students, always ask yourself what the question asks you to do. You're asked here to identify each boldface group of words by writing IND for independent clause and SUB for subordinate clause. Sentence structure is divided into simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. A simple sentence has only one independent clause. A compound sentence has at least two independent clauses. A complex sentence has one independent clause and at least one subordinating clause. Compound complex sentence has at least two independent clauses and at least one subordinating clause. Simple sentence has only one independent clause. Here is an example. Students study hard at school. Students is subject. Study is verb. Hard is adverb. At school is preposition phrase. All of it makes us a simple sentence which has one independent clause. Another example, Helen is a successful scientist. Helen is subject, is verb. A successful scientist is a positive phrase. All of it makes us a simple sentence which has only one independent clause. Compound sentence has at least two independent clauses and divide into compound sentence with coordinators, compound sentence with semicolon, compound sentence in quotes. Here are some examples. Compound sentences with coordinators. I think you will enjoy the trip, but I don't mind coming with us. I think you will enjoy the trip is the first independent clause. I don't mind coming with us is the second independent clause, and both are linked by a coordinator which is but. Compound sentence with semicolon. Here is an example. The sky is clear. The stars are twinkling. The sky is clear, the first independent clause. The stars are twinkling is the second independent clause, and both are linked by semicolon. An example of compound sentence in quotes. I used to be Snow White, but I drifted. I used to be Snow White is the first independent clause. I drifted is the second independent clause. Both are linked by a coordinating conjunction, which is but. A complex sentence has one independent clause and at least one subordinating clause. Here are some examples. If you have much time next week, you can travel with us. We can notice here that we have one subordinating clause and one independent clause. Another example, after I had smelled smoke, I started paying attention to the oven timer because I had burned dinner. We can notice here that we have two subordinating clauses and one independent clause. Read and notice carefully. Subordinating conjunctions versus coordinating conjunctions. Compound complex sentence has at least two independent clauses and at least one subordinating clause. Here is an example. Linda always forgets her friend's birthday, so she sent them a card when she remembered. We can notice here in this example that there are two independent clauses. Linda always forgets her friend's birthday. She sent them a card, and only one subordinating clause. She remembered. Let's do some exercises based on this lesson. Sentence structure. Here is a question. Choose the correct answer from A or B. Dear students, always ask yourself what the question asks you to do. You're asked here to choose the correct answer from A or B.